drowning in endless to-dos and feeling like you're constantly chasing your tail in your real estate business. Today, we're diving into Kvcore workflows, the secret weapon for automating your business, saving you precious time, and boosting your productivity. Let's get started. First, log into your Kvcore account and navigate to the Marketing Autopilot tab on the left-hand side of your dashboard. This is where the magic happens. Now, select Campaigns and Workflows on the upper right of the screen. You will see a button that says Start Workflow. Click here. You'll see several workflow options. Kvcore gives you lead nurturing, client retention, and transaction management workflows that can be tailored to your needs. Choose one of those, or opt to create a new workflow by selecting the custom option to build from scratch, giving you complete control. This brings you to the workflow builder. Here, you can define triggers, which are events that kick off the workflow, and actions, which are the automated tasks that follow. You can set emails, texts, task reminders, and even delays between actions. For example, you could set a workflow so that when a new lead comes in, it will automatically send a welcome email, schedule a follow-up call, and assign a task to you to connect personally within a few days. Click on any email or text action to customize the message. Personalize it with merge fields like the lead's first name, and add your own branding. Continue adding steps to your workflow, building out a comprehensive automated sequence. Remember to save your changes as you go. Once you're happy with your workflow, make sure to activate it by toggling the active-inactive switch to active. Now, sit back and let Kvcore handle the repetitive tasks while you focus on building relationships and closing deals. That's it. You've just unlocked the power of Kvcore workflows, giving yourself more time, fewer headaches, and a more productive real estate business. Now go automate your success.